Hey y'all, it's my second week on WEGOVY and I'm going to show you what I ate to lose weight. First I'm going to get some food prep done to make it easier to throw some of my meals together during the week, and then I'll show you some recipes. This week I made French toast, chicken and dumpling soup, and air fryer pork chops with garlic mashed potatoes and steamed cabbage. Let me know in the comments which recipe you're most excited to try. Let's get cooking.
Find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back.
So I always use Dr. Bronner's to clean my makeup brushes. It wasn't until I saw Kim on the WODs use this for washing produce that I even knew you could. And when you check the bottle, sure enough, it's right on there. So if you've never used this for washing your produce, I highly recommend it. It's just a fantastic natural soap.
I can't just go around admitting that it's you I like. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared.
So if you don't already have a salad spinner, don't go out and buy one just to clean your produce, but it really does work great to do that. These produce containers have been such a life changer for me. It's another one I picked up from Kim at the WODs. If you can't tell, I watch her channel all the time. Anyway, I do recommend these are worth spending your money on for sure. They make your produce last so much longer. So this week I'm also going to be eating bacon, lettuce, tomato, and avocado wraps for lunch. So I find prepping my bacon ahead all at once in the oven makes less mess, it's faster. All you have to do is just warm the bacon up on the day of, and it just makes things so much easier. French toast is another one that making ahead just saves so much time. I can just pre-cook them, stick them in a container. I don't even need to worry about putting paper towels or parchment or anything like that in between. They don't stick, they're great. And then all you have to do is just warm them up on the day of and you are golden. It makes breakfast take less than 5 minutes. If you've never tried grating your own nutmeg fresh, it makes such a difference in the flavor. I don't even like pre-grated nutmeg, but freshly grated is real good. This SaraLee Delightful Bread is definitely worth checking out. You can have 2 slices for 90 calories as opposed to like 110 calories for 1 slice of Dave's Killer Bread. Definitely recommend it. If you don't have one of these griddle pans, just a plain non-stick pan will work. I don't need any kind of a fat, no butter or spray or anything like that, as long as it's a good quality non-stick.
Driving down the boulevard, cruising with the windows down, feeling like we run this town. Your song is on the radio, the one you always like, the one that always gets you psyched. We've been drinking all the cheap wine all night, acting stupid but it feels so right. I know that we will all be just fine, but tonight I just wanna dance it all.
So when I say chicken and dumpling soup, for those of y'all in the South, I don't mean the creamy chicken and dumplings that y'all are used to. This is more like a chicken noodle soup, but it uses dumplings instead of noodles. It's an old family recipe. And anytime it gets even a little bit chilly outside, this is the first thing I want. It's really comforting and warm and delicious. You'll see Helios is in the kitchen because he knows anytime I'm making chicken stock, he's going to get scraps. You definitely don't need to make chicken stock from scratch for this. It's just something that I really enjoy doing, and it's pretty easy in a pressure cooker. You can just use canned or boxed stock if that's what you have on hand. Anyway, I hope you guys give this one a try. It's one of my absolute favorite recipes. If you don't have one of these strainer baskets for your pressure cooker, I highly recommend them. They're one of the few accessories that are actually worth getting, especially if you're the kind of person that makes a lot of soups or stocks. It's just a lot easier than fishing stuff out of the bowl by hand. Yeah, just go ahead and ignore that milk. Again, this is an old family recipe, just like our crepe recipe and our Abelskever recipe. It's almost the exact same. The only difference is the crepe and the Abelskever have milk and the dumplings don't. I had to actually stop cooking and call my sister just to try and remember which one has milk and not.
It's electric when you kiss me. Never felt this way before. We're magnetic, wanna stay here, closer than close. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking wild, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real. Just high up above from ground, but closer to heaven.
Apologize in advance. There's going to be some missing footage. You're going to see me starting the mashed potatoes, and you're going to see me breading the pork chops, but for some reason the footage of me finishing the mashed potatoes and air frying the pork chops is completely gone. So I have all the recipes that I'm making in this video linked down below, so please make sure that you check them out. And again, I'm so sorry about the missing footage here, but I really hope you give these a shot.
The whole world now, breathtaking wild, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real. It's high up above from the ground, but closer to heaven.
Alright guys, that's it for this week. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and let me know in the comments which recipe you're planning to try. If you're interested in seeing how much weight I lost this week, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know as soon as my results video goes up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.